right, so one of our pictorial diagrams, pictorial models, including area models, and objects that we're going to use today, is a number line and Cuisenaire rods or fraction strips. So I just did that too quickly. 2 times 1/2 is the same thing as 1/2 plus 1/2 because it's 2 1/2s, 2 1/2 pieces. So what that might look like is there's a 1/2 piece and then one more 1/2 piece. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole, which I've been talking about for weeks now. So this is kind of a visual representation of that. And then once again, if we do this as the algorithm, it's 2 times 1/2. So what we do is we turn the whole number into a fraction, and then we multiply top times top, which is 2, bottom times bottom, which is 2, and then we simplify before it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to simplify. 2 over 2 is the same thing as 2 divided by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 whole. So here is a bunch of different versions of the same thing. Oh, this one too. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. Okay, so moving forward, 1/2 times 2. That was moving forward. That's moving backwards. Okay, that's the same problem. We already did that. 1/2, 2 times. Okay, so let's try this next one. 4 groups of 1 6/10. All right, so 4 groups. Oh my gosh, I messed up. Why did I say 1 6/10? Mr. Johnson, is there a tired sticker? No, there's not. We'll just say that this is a sleeping guy, and Mr. Johnson is tired. Okay, so that's not 1 6/10. That's a big mistake. That's like the biggest mistake. I should cry a little bit for making that. That's 1/6. All right, and in fact, that's one of the biggest mistakes that people make sometimes is when they're turning those fractions into decimals. They want to say that 1/6 is 1 6/10, but remember, 1 6/10 looks like this. It's a whole number and then another fraction, which isn't even simplified. It's the same thing as 1 3/5, to be honest. All right, so 1 6/10 is 1 3/5. It's not 1/6 at all. So sorry about that, but maybe making that mistake was a good thing, because if you caught me, awesome. All right, if you didn't catch it, I just dropped my pen on my computer, but I picked it up. If you didn't catch it, don't worry about it. We're still learning. All right, so 4 groups of 1/6. That's what I meant to say the first time. 4 groups of 1/6. So remember, basically what you're doing is you're looking. Oh wait, I'm gonna make sixths. All right, it's 4 pieces of that. 4 of those. All right, so go ahead and I want you to try the algorithm. All right, I want you to try, first things first, you have to turn the whole into a fraction, and we'll just call that the capital T, even though you know that is putting the 1 as a denominator to make it a fraction, but we'll call it T-posing. You could also call it T-pose. Okay, anyway, and then top times top, and then bottom times bottom. I'm running out of room to write things. And just simplify. Before it's time to say goodbye, don't forget to simplify. Simplify. Tired. Okay, anyway, so that says simplify. I promise it does. But we're gonna turn the whole number into a fraction, top times top, bottom times bottom, before it's time to say goodbye. Don't forget to simplify. All right, and then when we come back, we'll take a look at the answers to a couple of these questions, because there's more, and I'll see you then. Bye.